Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix package not installed and as it conflicts with existing package, which means you want try to install APK file of Minecraft or any other application on your Android and you see a kind of error. Then how you can fix that? So there are many steps to fix that error. So the first step is as that you have to simply uninstall or remove already installed package of that app, which means if you try to update or install a new version of an app like Minecraft, then you can find this kind of error. So for this, what you have to do before installing an existing package with same name, you have to uninstall an app with the same name. So in this way you can simply fix that error. Moreover, you can also change the name of APK file, which means you have to change the name of an existing package. So in this way you can simply fix this kind of error. If that kind of solution doesn't work for you, then you can also try another one, which means you have to simply check whether that kind of a version of that package or APK file works on your device or not, because many devices doesn't support APK files of a specific version. So you have also checked that kind of problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.